Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hulu app offline viewing settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Hulu app for offline viewing, start by ensuring you have a compatible device. Open the App Store on your device. For iOS devices, this will be the Apple App Store. For Android devices, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Hulu and tap on Search. Locate the Hulu app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. If you haven't installed it yet, click on the Install button. For devices that already have the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once the app is installed or updated, open it. Log into your Hulu account with your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. After logging in, browse through the available content. Find a show or movie you want to download. Not all titles are available for offline viewing, so look for the download icon next to the title. Tap on the download icon to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, you can find the downloaded content in the download section of the app. To access this, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. From there, select Downloads. Now you can watch your downloaded content offline at any time. Remember that downloaded content may have expiration dates. Make sure to check the download settings to manage your storage space. Enjoy your offline viewing experience with Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.